6 years ago, there was a woman who was diagnosed with stage 4 breast cancer. She was depressed. She was hopeless. The doctor said, "You have 4 to 6 months more to live." And that woman asked what the modern medicine can do for as treatment. The prognosis is less than 10%.
Grabe.
That woman declined for all the modern medical treatment. But she has one action left. She turned to God and asked for a miracle for one last time. And yes, God answered her prayer. A person, a woman also, handed a 1 bottle of Wortier. And from that time on, everything has changed. And that woman is Mencian Isa, standing in front of you here
Grabe.
6 years ago. Thank you so much, Ate Beth. Thank you so much. You are like a mother to me. Thank you so much, Faith Ann, whom I consider my younger sister. Thank you so much, Reway, for giving this opportunity into my life. For 2 years, I did nothing because I was focusing on how to get back my health using Fortier Placenta and all the detoxing my body. Last 2018 of August, I started embracing the opportunity of Railway International. And from that time on, miracles are happening in my life. One thing that I learned from this company, there is an invisible line that governs all human beings. This line is very important, and this place in different places in every one of us. Every human being do not know or unaware of having this line, but they are not aware that this line governs their life. And this is what we call our standards. This is the one thing that Railway has taught us, to have my standard, to raise my standard. That standard differentiates between a sick and a healthy person. That standard differentiates a poor and a wealthy person. That standard differentiates a happy and a miserable person. Thank you, Railway, for helping us raising our standards. From having bad medical results to an improved health status. From being a lender, from a borrower to become a calendar from being a very shy, ordinary, fearful person, I become an inspiration to others. I dedicated my life to my family, to my team, and the whole of Railway International. And because of that, I do some sacrifices. I do some things that I'm not used to do. Because I love my team, my family, and I love this company so much. And because of that, once again, I challenge everybody who are here in this room. I claim to become a winner. I claim that I win over the battle of that cancer. I claim that I win the battle against some things in life. And if I did do it, I know you can do it also. I don't want to cry, but I'm sorry I become emotional. Because in my stage now, I am in the stage of building my dreams already. And in my stage now, I may not do some activities like doing OPP, organizing events, because I am on the stage of having enough income if we talk about income. But this is not a business of income only. This is not a business of money only. This is about finding the purpose why we are still alive until now. What if there is Menchi Misa connected to you who do not know until now that there is an opportunity that can cause miracle in their life? Please, there are many people who needs your voice, who needs your knowledge, who needs the opportunity so that they can also change their lives. Thank you so much for the opportunity also given. I receive all the greetings when I get inside the hall. Many people approach me for picture takings, and I cannot recognize your faces, but I know we have one goal in life. I am so happy that you accept my story, you accept my journey, you know my journey, and I have inspired you in other way. You inspire me also. Thank you so much for that. And because of that, because of you, because of my love, I can say that there will be 3 more Pegasus from my team within this year. And I believe, and you should believe, that if we can do it, you can do it also.